Good morning, students. Now, as we all know that we are attracted towards the earth with the help of gravity. So, in today's topic, we will discuss about the universal law of gravitation to calculate the measure of the force with which we are attracted towards the earth. This law was given by Sir Isaac Newton. The statement of this law is that every object on the earth attracts every other object with the force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. So, we have considered two objects A and B. Object A has mass capital M and object B has mass small m. The distance between the two objects is given by small d. Now, according to the first statement, it is that the force is directly proportional to product of their masses. Now, let capital M be mass of A object and small m be mass of B object. Now the force between the two objects is given by capital F. Now F is proportional to product of the two masses, that is multiplication of capital M into small m. Let us take this equation as equation number 1. Also, the force is inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. So, inverse proportion is that D is in the denominator and it is in the square form. So, F is inversely proportional to square of distance between them. Let us take this equation as equation number 2. Now, by combining 1 and 2 equation, if we combine both the equations, what we will get? Now F is common in both the equations, so F is directly proportional to. Here it is product of the two masses in the numerator and here it is square of distance in the denominator. So the equation becomes F is proportional to m upon d square. Now, to remove this proportionality sign, we have to apply a constant. Now, to remove this proportionality sign, we have to apply a constant. In this, we have applied capital G, which is also known as universal gravitational constant, with the whole equation. So, the force becomes F is equal to Gmm upon d square, which is the final result. So this is the measure of force with which we are attracted towards the earth. Suppose we have to calculate the force between any object. First object is capital M, the bigger one, and second is small m, the smaller one. Suppose I have to calculate my force, so I will take small m, my mass, and capital M, the mass of the earth. The distance between me and earth would be the radius of earth. Putting the masses in this equation and the value of D, also the value of G, I can calculate the force with which I am attracted towards the earth. Now, G is universal gravitational constant and its value is always fixed, and we take it as 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. The units of G are Newton meter square per kg square. How I have calculated the unit from this formula? If I apply the formula, F is equal to Gmm upon d square. Now, coming G to only one side, the d square will come towards the fourth side and the mass will come in the denominator of this equation. Now the units of force are Newton, the units of distance are meter, but it is d, so it becomes Newton meter square upon. The units of masses are kg, so kg multiply kg becomes kg square. So units become Newton meter square per kg square. So these are the units of capital D, and its value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. So by obtaining this formula, we can easily calculate the attractive force with which we are attracted towards the earth. Hope you like this video. Thank you everyone.